Hey everyone, we are back at Walgreens doing deals that you can do from the 9th to the 15th of July. The first deal I'm working on is this buy 4 get a $5 register reward deal. So I'm going to grab one of those Tide Pods, one Tide Liquid, both for $5.49 each, and then I'm going to come over here and grab 2 Dawn dish liquids for $5.89 each. All 4 of these products will total me $22.76. I have a $2 Just For You coupon off the Tide Liquid and another $2 Just For You coupon off the Tide Pods. I then have a $1 digital for the Dawn Liquid. That'll leave me to pay $17.76 plus tax out of pocket, but I'm going to get back a $5 register reward for buying 4 select P&G products and another $5 register reward for spending $20 on select P&G products. And in addition to that, I have a booster of get $10 when you spend $1. So check your accounts and see if you have that. So I'm going to pay $17.76, but I'm getting $20 back in rewards, 10 in Walgreens cash and 10 in register rewards, which makes my final cost completely free and a $2.24 moneymaker. Okay, so I'm switching cards here. I was going to come over here and do this deal on the kids' toothpaste, which is part of the buy 2 get a $4 register reward, but unfortunately they were out of the color changing toothpaste that I wanted, so we'll just have to switch lanes. My last transaction spit out a booster from the Catalina machine of earn $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40, so we're going to work on that. I'm going to grab 2 of these Crest Brilliance toothpaste for $7 each, and the deal is when you buy 2, you're going to get a $4 register reward. I have a digital 5 off 2 coupon for the Crest, leaving me to pay $9 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward. Final cost $5 for both, or $2.50 each. I'm also going to come back here and repeat the same P&G deal from the beginning of the video by grabbing 1 more Tide Pod, 1 more Tide Liquid, and 2 more Dawn dish soap. I'm going to finish out this spend 40 booster by grabbing 2 boxes of General Mills cereal. So select boxes of General Mills cereal are on sale $1.99 each. I'm going to grab 2 of them, bringing my subtotal to $3.98. I have a $1 digital coupon in the Walgreens app, leaving me to pay $2.98 out of pocket. However, I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each cereal, making my final cost $1.98. Here are all the items in my next transaction. My subtotal for all of these items is $40.74. After all of my coupons have applied, it'll leave me to pay $29.74 plus tax out of pocket. However, I am going to get back $16 in Walgreens cash for both of my spend boosters. I have a spend 25 get 7 and a spend 40 get 9. I'm going to get back $10 in register rewards for the laundry deal, as well as a $4 register reward for the Crest. I'll then submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on the cereal, and my final cost will be completely free and a $1.26 moneymaker. Okay, we are back. Here is our final haul for today. It's not especially big, but it is a good one because this is all stuff that we're going to use. So our subtotal for everything was $63.50. After coupons, we paid out $47.50. We got back $26 in Walgreens cash, $24 in register rewards, and $1 from Ibotta, making this entire haul completely free and a $3.50 moneymaker. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. It genuinely supports me and I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.